My name is Fred Briggs. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Applied Impact Robotics. Our goal is to make the oil and gas industry cleaner and safer, and we're here to talk to you about our robotic solution that we've developed for crude oil in-service inspection. The first thing is we have counter-rotating augers in the front and the rear. This is in contrast to some of the other solutions out there which have tried tank treads or even wheels, maybe wheels with magnets. They've never been able to gain purchase, so we're the first solution that's been able to generate propulsion and maneuvering inside of one of these tanks. And the key to that is the counter-rotating augers in the front and a second set in the back. And so what's happening here is I've got the back augers pushing while I've got the forward augers pulling.
So in crude oil storage tanks, there's lots of sediments. It is a high viscosity fluid, meaning it's really thick, and our dual auger counter-rotating system allows us to navigate that with ease.
You don't have to manually drive it. You can if you want to, but usually we just point it and it just does its thing. The plates have lots of weld lines, right? So the arm goes out and scans the weld lines, and based on that, it knows where it is in the tank and then can correct itself.
One of the critical parts in scanning a crude oil tank is the critical zone, or the annular ring, the part right next to the wall. One of the unique features about using a robotic arm is that we're able to get the robot within just 2 or 3 feet of the critical zone and actually sneak the robotic arm. So we're actually able to get within about ½ inch of the weld line of the edge of the tank. And this is one of the most important pieces of scanning in the tank, and something that the robotic arm gives us that unique ability to do.
In between scans, there's a little bit loss in location, but after you take that second scan and every succeeding scan, you can mesh those scans together to get a complete image with high accuracy. We can combine that scan data with that computer model from the technical drawings.
By doing this, we eliminate around 2,000 hours of dangerous confined space entry. We eliminate almost all of the methane and CO2 exposure because we're keeping the tank sealed the entire time during the inspection. We reduce the costs of inspection, and we reduce the time that it takes to do an inspection. So all of this has been quite attractive to our customers, and we're collecting much higher quality data.
At Applied Impact Robotics, we positioned ourselves as a robot-enabled data company to help provide insights in real time for asset owners and operators to make better informed decisions, remove employees from confined space entry, and reduce their carbon footprint.